The American people know what they want in a Supreme Court justice. They want someone who will apply the law fairly and impartially, without respect of persons, as the judicial oath requires. They do not want someone to be a rubber stamp for any administration. Today, she was nominated for a lifetime appointment to the nation's highest court. The standard of scrutiny is clearly much higher now.
Because Supreme Court justices have the last say with respect to the law and have the ability to make precedent, they don't have the same kinds of restraints that lower court judges have. So we need to be convinced that these nominees have judicial restraint, in other words, the self-restraint to resist interpreting the Constitution to satisfy personal beliefs and preferences.
And unlike the Federal Circuit Court, where she has served since 1998, a justice on the Supreme Court is not necessarily bound by existing legal precedents. If confirmed, there would be no higher court to deter Judge Sotomayor from making decisions that would become the binding law of the land.
This is different. There are only 9 Supreme Court justices. It's the most important court in the world, and this is a lifetime appointment. Once they get on there, there's no way you can get them off. And so it's going to take a real scrutinization. I reserve judgment until we go through that process.
The Senate's job is not just to provide advice and consent by confirming nominees who are intelligent and accomplished. Our job is to confirm nominees who will be fair and impartial judges, individuals who truly understand the proper role of a justice in our system of government.
But does she meet at this point the sort of misgiving level there now is that would warrant any kind of filibuster?
Well, the burden of proof is on the nominee. The president has a constitutional role to nominate individuals. The Senate has a constitutional role, as you know, of advice and consent.